Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or modify underline in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF and this underline, and I will edit this underline. Click on this underline and select, and this properties option. Here you can change underline color. See this. You can change transparency, opacity, underline is type. See this sense, and this underline also will change red color, and opacity you can change. You can delete any underline. Click on this underline and press right button, select delete, and rewrite underline. Select underline option, this review option, and drag your mouse cursor, select your text or a specific text. Now click on this underline and select similarly. You can change underline color. Yeah, this is. In this way you can update your underline. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comments.